that a line?
Yeah, you're good. Lower it down.
The optical sorter analyzes hundreds of potatoes per second, ejecting imperfections with precise bursts of air. The synchronized motion of the mechanical peeling system ensures a continuous rhythm, with all peel waste flowing into separate channels.
This climate-controlled vault houses the rarest ingredients on Earth, from the finest black truffles to ancient Himalayan salt. Here, the chips rise in a controlled environment, achieving a surreal golden hue rarely seen in traditional methods.
Here, the golden chips enter the rotating drum, where they are evenly coated with our signature blend of black truffle dust and pristine sea salt crystals.